Read the following pie chart carefully and answer the questions given below. The pie chart shows the percentage distribution of total electricity in kilowatt hour consumption by 5 A, B, C, D, and E different towns. Total electricity in kilowatt hour is equal to 12,000. Is a pie chart where A denotes 20%, B denotes 15%, C denotes 30%, D denotes 25%, and E denotes 10%. The question is total electricity consumption by B is how much more or less than that of by D in kilowatt hour. Here the total electricity consumption by B is talking about B. So total electricity consumption by B is 15%. B is 15%. And how much more or less means we have two cases. There is a more or less. We have to find which it is it less than that of by D. For D it is 25%. So we have to find difference. Required difference is equal to first of all it is talking about more and less. First of all we take two cases, more and less. As we then we first we add 25 and 15, and for less case we subtract 25 and 15. We know the value is given in percentage, so we divide it by 100. We divided by 100 and we multiplied it with the total value 12,000. Zero zero cancel, 25 plus 15 is 40 multiplied 120. 25 minus 15, 10 multiplied 1200. So it is 120 multiplied 40, 10 multiplied 120. We got two answers, 4800 and 1200. We go to the options, whether it is there is 4800. No, there is no 4800, means 4800 is the answer. We go for 1200. Yes, we have 12 answer, therefore answer is option C. The question B says find the average electricity consumption by A and E in kilowatt hour. So required average is equal to electricity consumption by A. For A it is 20% and E for E, and the value of E is 10%. Required average is equal to, we have according to we know the concept, average is equal to sum of the observation by number of observation. The sum of observation is 20 plus 10. The number of observation are 2, and we multiplied it with total electricity in kilowatt hour is 12,000, and we multiplied 100 in denominator because the value is given in percentage. So it is 20 plus 10, 30 divided by 0, 20 cancels, 2 divides 120 by 160 to move 30 multiplied 30 multiplied by 60 is equal to 1800. So we got the answer 1800. 1800 is option C. So option C is the right answer. The question says total electricity consumption by B is what percentage of total electricity consumption by A. As we know, the total electricity consumption by B is 15%, and electricity consumption by A is 20%. So we have to find percent. So required percentage is equal to total electricity consumption by B is 15%, is what percentage of total electricity consumption by A. By A means 20%, and for we have to find a value in percentage, so we multiplied it with 100. 20 divides 100 5 times, 15 5 ja 75%. 75% is in option A, so option A is the correct answer. Question D is find the central angle of the average electricity consumption by C and E in degrees. These are the options. The electricity consumption by C is 30%, and for E it is 10%. We have to find the central angle, and first of all we have to find the average. So we have to find the central angle in degrees, so required degree is equal to first of all we have to find average. So average, for average we know the concept. The question says we have find the central angle of the average electricity consumption by C and E in degrees. First we have to find the degree, but we have to find average also. We know the concept of average. Average is equal to sum of observation divided by number of observations. Sum of observation is 30 plus 10 divided by number of observation 2. We have to find central angle, so we multiplied it with 360, and the value is given in percentage, so we multiply 100 in denominator. So 30 plus 10 40 by 2 multiplied 360 by 100. 0 0 0 0 cancel. 2 divides 36. 18 times 4 multiplied 18 is equal to 72. 72 is in option B, so option B is the right answer.